You're watching Force 13's live streaming service.
Welcome to another show from Force 13. My name is David Toes, and I'm over here on the east coast of Australia. And my co-host is Lee over in Scotland. Welcome aboard, Lee.
Hello, good evening, and welcome to another show, ladies and gentlemen. We will be doing another update on the Australian weather soon, and also another tropics update afterwards. So I think we'll get this show on the road. So we'll now start with the Australian scene, and I'm going to bring David in to start with to explain exactly what's happening like the mornings and things like that. So take it away, David.
Okay, thanks, Lee. Following on from our broadcast yesterday, we're currently looking at the wind factor from, I think it's netschool.com. You can see two areas of rotation. That is down there in the Great Australian Bight to the south of South Australia or west of Tasmania. Since our previous broadcast, the scene continues to develop, and what we're actually seeing is a second low to the south of the main one. And while we continue to look at this screenshot, Lee, if you like to, you've got this link available. If you have, I will then activate your screen share, and I'll
My screen share's on.
Okay, screen share is on. Okay, here we go.
I've put the circle down on the second row that I was explaining to you about. Anyway, David.
Okay, now Lee, that is the low. So from our private discussions before we came live, has that other, the big system, created another low, which is currently to its south? Lee, you still with me? I think we might have
Oh, sorry, it's okay. I had myself on
I think
right.
You might have muted your microphone. Okay.
Panic. What I was saying there is, this is basically like a mother giving birth to a baby. It's basically a big storm. Is basically the mother, and it's basically developed a secondary low. So it means that we've now got two lows rather than just the one. So what's going to happen is the main low is going to affect Tasmania. From how long is it now? Is it the next 12 hours or so, or is it already affecting Tasmania? I would say it's already.
Well, we have various warnings in place, and that second low is 50.83 south. Leach is going to bring up the warnings. We'll go to the Australian Weather Bureau. Go to the Tasmania. No, on the page that you're on now, just stay there and click on Tasmania.
Tasmania.
Yeah, just up there in the blue to your right.
Oh dear.
Yeah, click on there and click on the warnings.
Oops. The warnings.
And click on the yellow.
Yellow. This one.
No, the yellow. Up there, you see the view to warnings for Tasmania. Yep, click on that.
Yeah, just give it a second to come up. But what warning do you want to look at?
Well, we can. There's no severe weather warnings current for the state of Tasmania, but I
Which I
have.
think's disgraceful.
Well, what I'll do is we have the marine coastal waters warning. If you'd like to open up the marine wind warning.
It's reset to load.
Yep.
It says. That's it.
Now this is for Tasmania, and that was updated at 10:04, which is about an hour.
Yeah. Gale warning for the following areas: far northwest coast, central north coast, the Banks Strait, Franklin Sound, east of Flinders Island, upper east coast, southeast coast, southwest coast, and central west coast. Strong wind warnings also in effect for the following areas: Storm Bay and the lower east coast, and small craft alert as well for the following areas: Central Plateau Lakes and Southwest Lakes. So.
And then we go to the Tuesday outlook, just there, Lee. You got the gale warning for...
Yeah, it's just the same areas as Monday, really.
Yep.
So I'm not going to read them all again, they're just all the same sort of area. It's all the same. So it's basically, they're basically under these warnings for a couple of days, while this system continues to track eastwards. I do believe it's going to go southeastwards the next day or two as well. So I'm going to bring up that green one now. Where is it? I think it's that one.
And while you do that, Lee, I'll just pick up on a additional warning issued by the Tasmanian WA. Road weather alert is currently in place. Water over roads, reduced visibility, and heavy rain will make road conditions dangerous during today, Monday, and in parts of the northwest coast, the central north, the northeast, the central plateau districts, as well as the northern half of the Midlands district.
Yeah.
And the river warnings, the flood warnings remain the same. We have a flood watch, as mentioned yesterday, for Tasmania. Now, Lee, if you'd like to... Now, we're looking at precipitation.
I'm just going to Tuesday, it's Tuesday, Monday. I'm a bit confused here. What day is it over there? Monday?
Monday, so, my time. So if you go back to 4 a.m.
That one, yeah.
Yeah, 4 a.m.
Or was it 4 a.m. Tuesday? What time is it over there?
It is 11:40 on a Monday.
So 4 a.m. Tuesday then. Let's have a look at the precipitation prospects. And it looks like it's going to be quite wet across the southern coast there of Australia, and also for parts of western and northern Tasmania.
Now, Lee, if you'd like to click on each of those 3-hourly blocks, and we'll see the motion. You might have to go up and down the page a bit. That's it. Now that is 7 a.m. So we're looking at, what is it, 16 millimetres. Say 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Excellent. This is now 10 AM now. Right. So this is mid-morning, and it looks like it's worse mid-morning for Tasmania.
Yeah, it's increasing there. It's another, what is it, 38
38 inches
millimetres.
plus very high winds as well.
Yeah, we'll
as you can see, the isobars are very tight.
Now 1 PM Tuesday.
The tighter the isobars, the stronger the winds are. Just to let the viewers know, that's what that means. The tighter the isobars, the stronger the winds are. And it looks like Tasmania is going to be real stormy throughout the day on Tuesday.
Now we go to 4 PM.
There you go, it's even worse there. Very
And
severe
you're looking
gales.
at a further, well, just under 30 millimetres for 1 PM to 4 PM. Then we go to 7 PM or
It's still very windy, but not as rainy.
1900 hours.
And then the last one for Tuesday, 10 PM.
2200 hours.
And it looks like it restarts again with another pulse of heavy rain and very strong winds as that system continues tracking east. So its centre seems to be more closer to Tasmania by then. And it looks like it's going to track southeast, so it looks as if it's going to start heading towards New Zealand afterwards.
Now that is an interesting comment, because it appears that the weaker low is could track up to the northeast.
Yeah, I think the secondary low could move north into Australia, but the big main low will actually head towards New Zealand, and it may deepen further as it approaches New Zealand.
If you like to go to 4 PM a Wednesday.
Yeah. It looks as if it's definitely southeastwards. It looks like a high pressure system is starting to track into southern Australia there, and
you can see
the high winds still continue on Wednesday for Tasmania, but the low is definitely tracking away now to the southeast.
Then if you go to 4 PM on a Thursday.
It looks much calmer, not as windy, but still a wee bit windy due to the high pressure system keeping the isobars tight at the south there. But what I am noticing is it looks like another low is coming in from the northern territory moving south.
Yes. Now if
looks like windy conditions from that as well.
Now look at where that
look at that
high
at the left.
is.
Look at that.
Yep. Look at the high.
Look at that at the left.
Over South Australia, Victoria. What is it? 1035.
36.
1036. Okay.
Yeah.
Now if you go back to a Monday on this page, just go back up to Monday.
I'll put 4 PM Monday. Okay.
Alright, 4 PM Monday. Okay, now you see the activity to the north of Broome, Western Australia, across to the Coral Sea. Just bring the page down a little bit, Lee. No, sorry, bring it up.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
There's a low here.
Okay, now that is 4
This
PM
low's going to
Monday.
This low's definitely good to deepen.
go to 10 p.m. Monday.
Oh, 10 p.m. Monday. Okay. Just the same meal, it's just...
Okay, well, we go to 4 a.m. tomorrow.
Then it's coming in there, there's the low there.
Yep. Okay, well, if you go...
Then it's again getting stronger, look at the rain coming from it. I'm going to Wednesday, check for PM Wednesday. Look at it now. Look how quickly it's developing. Starting to move south.
Yeah, it's actually over the Northern Territory.
And then first it comes down further.
Yes.
It looks like you're starting to get showers.
So the main activity is going to be the Gulf of Carpentaria, the northeast tip of the Northern Territory, Gove, the Gulf of Carpentaria coming down onto the western coast of Cape York, which is the eastern region of the Gulf of Carpentaria.
I think you're under that now, if you look at the screen.
So basically, we'll just pause on that for a minute, Lee. I just want to bring up some information.
Right, okay. I'll put it, to see. I'll buy it to that when you're ready. What's the time? I do want this to go into tropical,
Okay, we have...
Well, hello there, Michael, who's watching the live stream right now. Thank you very much for that, Michael.
The Australian Weather Bureau for the area north of 10 south, isolated showers and thunderstorms.
Right. David.
Yeah, apology. I just got a very ticklish throat at the present time. Okay, that's for today. That is the 12-hourly rainfall outlook.
That is indeed. As soon as we've done this, we'll need to move on to the tropics, because I've got to do a message at 3, so... I'm just going to show the current rain map here. Just to give the viewers a rough idea, that we're keeping an eye on this system, coming in from the north as well. And that's as far as it goes. Friday, see it start to produce quite heavy falls of rain. We could see up to 150 millimeters of rain. So we'll certainly be keeping an eye on that system as well over the next few days. But anyway, I think that is enough on the Australian scene from now.
Just before you do, just click on, sorry for the viewers, just click
right,
on total forecast of rain, mate. No, bring it over. That's it, click there.
Right, we'll go through this very quickly because
okay, now that's day 1 to 4. Go to
yeah, look at the purple, ladies and gents.
Yep.
That means that there could be up to about 400 millimeters of rain possible, which means severe floods. And we'll have a look at the next one. Just for that. There we go, it gets worse actually. So that's basically another system that we're keeping an eye on. But anyway, I think it is about time we started looking at the tropics. We'll maybe give a tropics update now. So I think what we'll do is we'll start with the second hurricane of the Eastern Pacific, and that is Celia. If I can find the tippets. There it's there. That's tropical storm and blast, which is I'll do this one first.
Just on tropical depression blast, the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has in place a final advisory on that system.
So we'll now move on to Celia. Can you talk me through this, David? How do you get on to Celia?
You can click on the cone, that's the current track, double click on the blue.
Yeah, but I'm looking for Celia.
Oh, sorry, go down the page.
Oh, Celia underneath this. Oh, right. So this is the second hurricane of the Eastern Pacific season. This just became a hurricane. And it's actually 80 mm now. Pressure is definitely not 1010 MB.
Well, this is the latest information provided by Tidbits.
I know. But the pressure is quite high for that hurricane. So I'm going to give it. I'm going to tell you the actual measurement, and it's actually down to 985 at the moment. So that's Celia. We also have a couple of interests as well. Interest 97E, which is to the east of Celia. That's only about 25 mile/hour winds at the moment, so it's not particularly strong at the moment. But it does have potential. I'm assuming this is down as well. There it's there. Quite a big interest. It's actually 20. My apologies. It's actually 20. It's actually quite a big one. So I would actually give this a good potential of becoming a depression in the next day or two. So I'll definitely be monitored closely, because we could get another system from it.
And there's there are the latest tracks on 97. Then we come down to a 91W, which is another one in the Westpac.
Yes, which is also it's got a very low chance at the moment of becoming a system at the moment, but it's there. We also have another system, 90S, is it?
Well, if you go down the page, you'll see.
That's it.
There it is,
quite
90S.
A big and again, this is quite a big one as well, so I'm not ruling out some development from this system as well.
And if you go down the page, you'll see the current tracking.
Yep.
Now, if you click on one of those where the islands are, no, not that one. Yeah, click on that one. So that's
current model tracks at this time. Just estimations of where it could go at this point. So that's that. I'll maybe show tracking back the trackers for the other ones. How'd you get out of that then? Black arrow? Yeah. Yeah, I'll show the tracking back for the other systems.
If you have a look at the track for CDR, because that is heading towards Hawaii.
Okay, this is Celia here, is it?
Getting up a little bit further.
Here it's here. Right. Go for that one. So as you can see, there's loads of model runs here.
So the consensus
is indicating that the big island of Hawaii will be affected in coming days. so we'll be keeping a very close eye on that. And Celia is expected to become a Cat 2 hurricane within the next 24 hours or so. But basically that is the tropical scene for the moment. So basically that is the current activities across the world at this point. And as we know, I hope people stay safe in Tasmania and the surrounding areas as the big storm that's approaching there to track of eastward. So we'll give David another one before we finish this evening. So what you'd like to add, David?
For the Tasmanian people, there's no doubt that we will see possibly later today a severe weather warning issued. I'm expecting to see flood watches for the area north of Fraser Island here in the state of Queensland on the east coast, and ongoing flood advisories for Victoria.
Yep, so I will also add, this is also going to be just snow for the upper regions. I didn't mention that, but it is going to cause some heavy snow for the mountainous areas of Victoria and the surrounding area as well. So please stay safe as well up there. Anyway, I'm going to let you all know that you can follow the project, follow Force 13, pardon me, through our mediums, through Twitter, through the Skype by adding Full 13 for any tropical weather chat, and whatever else you want to talk about, tropics wise or climate wise, as I am the climate expert for the project, so I'll be more than happy to talk to you. We also have David, who is on this live stream with us. He does the Australian page. I can't remember the full name of that now.
We have Force 13, Force 13 Australia, New Zealand YouTube channel, but that's still in the pipeline. We also have Force 13 US channel.
Yeah, I was actually going to come to that. Yeah, I was just about to come to that. We also have a new channel called the Force 13 USA, which is run by our lovely John Courier from there. We also have two new shows called the Aviation Show and the Defence Show. They're actually run by Chris. And we also have a show called the Caribbean Weather Desk, which is run by Adam as well. And we've also got a football thing as well, which we do as a hobby as well. So we also have Facebook, so follow us on Facebook as well. And also follow us through our YouTube channels like Force 13 Extra, and also our main channel Force 13 as well. So I think that'll be all for this live stream this evening. And I'll let David say any more to part words now. But I'm going to say good night for now, everybody. And we'll have another live update when need be. So David, any final words?
Well, stay tuned to the Force 13's channel. You never know what's going to come on the channel, and so I think Lee has summed it up well. So for me, it's been good to be here, and bye for now.